Hey there, if you're called to ministry in the marketplace, I want you to join me for Miracles in the Marketplace. It's an eSummit and interview series where I am literally interviewing those marketplace leaders who are making great strides outside the church in the marketplace. Some are dealing with great amounts of money. Some are dealing with lots of fans and followers. I'm telling you, this is the season where God is raising up prophetic and apostolic pioneers, young and old, who are not afraid to embrace Him in the marketplace outside the church. If that's you, I want you to register today for Miracles in the Marketplace. You will not regret it. It's going to bless you like never before.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Taylor Wimbledge TV. And don't forget to join me in Miracles in the Marketplace because we are going to be giving tea and all the influencer tips that you need.
If you're still trying to figure out what ministry in the marketplace or marketplace ministry is, I want you to grab my book called The Global Call to Marketplace Ministry, a practical guide to ministry outside the church. I wrote it back in 2020, but now God is breathing new life on it for those of you who need a better understanding of what it means to be a marketplace prophet, an apostolic prophet, or just somebody who's called to do ministry outside the church in the marketplace. This book is for you. Order it today. And after you read it and listen to it, I want you to let me know how it is blessing you. The Global Call to Marketplace Ministry, a practical guide to ministry outside the church. Order today.